So today I have a very exciting package. So this guy is from Sweetie Nail Supply, which is where I get a lot of my Korean and Asian nail gels. Wow, that came out weird. Because Sweetie Nail Supply reached out to me and wanted to know if they could send me a few things. And I was very excited because a couple months ago I posted a Sweetie Nail Supply haul, and essentially it's where I get like all my Korean and Asian nail supplies. And so they saw that, reached out, and wanted to send me some stuff. So I'm going to be doing another haul and look at some of the stuff they sent me. They did pick out these products for me because I do like Hema-Free products for my nails because I'm like very concerned with nail allergies. So I'm curious to see what they sent me, and we're going to go through it. As you can tell, I'm a big nail fan. I have been doing my own like gel X extensions. I've done press-on nails, which is these. I've done gel nails, nail polish, nail stickers. Everything nail related I have tried. I typically go through different like nail cycles just to give my nails a break. So now that I've done press-on nails for a couple months, I think I'm gonna switch back to gel nails. So this is perfect timing. So I kind of know what's in this box, kind of don't. They just picked out some products for me. And you guys can let me know if you guys have tried any of these or if you've seen any of these online, any of the buzz, because I'm very excited to see what's in here. Now, before I get into it, I do want to say I'm going to put my discount code here. If you guys pick up anything from Sweetie Nail Supply, please use my discount code. They're amazing. They were very prompt through emails, and my previous experience purchasing from them where they had no idea who I was excellent, especially considering they are Canadian based, so it's an international package for me technically. Everything was packed very nicely and securely, and I feel like they're very competitive with their prices, and like I said, have a ton of products to pick from. And I do think that a lot of these are going to be Hema-Free. Okay, I've talked enough. Let's go ahead and get into the box. Yay! I haven't even opened this, genuinely, because I wanted to like actually unbox it with you guys so you can see how everything is packaged. So we have the little thank you card on the top, and I see something here. So let's see what this is. Ooh. So this is from the brand Divok. Base here and enamel top. So this must be like a top coat and a base coat. So these are always nice to have. I usually, when it comes to my gel nails, I do try to stick within like ecosystems of nail systems. So if I'm using like a particular brand color or a particular brand like gel, I like to use their coordinating like base and top coat because I know they'll work well together. I don't think there's like a hard, fast rule on that, but it is nice to have like a corresponding base and top coat. So I'm excited to try these. I've actually seen these are supposed to be like super, super shiny, and that's another thing that I really like about Korean nail supplies as far as gel nails go, is that they are a little bit, I don't want to say thicker in consistency, but the shine cannot be beat. And when you have gel nails, that's like what I love the most about gel nails. So I'm very excited to try these. All right, so we have like the main guy here. So as you can see, pulling it out all in one unit. It looks like this is the Divok brand again. I take it out of the bubble wrap. Very securely packed. I got it out. So we have our little booklet here. This is the Once in a Summer collection, season 2. See what these look like. Oh, I see. Whoa! There's like the whole display there. Okay. So you can swatch them on these, I think. And so you can see what the polish looks like. Let's go ahead and open up this box though. I will definitely show you guys close-ups of all of these shades so you guys can kind of see what they look like in the B-roll. Okay, moment of truth. Ooh, okay, so there's all the nail polishes. There's 10 different shades. I'm so excited about this. Oh, and then they sent a magnet, so I'm assuming there's some cat eye effect polishes in here or something along those veins. Like I said, I'm going into this purely blind. I wanted to like first impressions this. I've never tried this brand, so I'm so excited because like I said, I have heard a lot of good things. I've also seen that they sell out of this brand, so it must be really good. So this shade is DG29 Blue Scotch. So this one's like a really pretty turquoisey blue color with very fine silver particles, it looks like. That one's gorgeous. Next we have Mandarin Scotch. By the way, the top of these bottles are really nice because they give you a very long handle. So for like nail art, you have a lot of very good like dexterity with it, if that makes sense. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so this is kind of a tangerine color, as the name implies, with fine silver particles. This looks like a very wearable orange color though, going into the fall season, because it's running a little bit more on the mahogany side versus like a bright orange. So that looks pretty, kind of like a sandy color. Next we have water plum. That sounds pretty. And this is, oh, this looks kind of almost like a syrupy color, a bit of a burgundy. Definitely plummy, again, perfect for fall. Next we have June hydrangea. That sounds pretty. Oh, this is like one of my favorite colors. It's like a periwinkle bluish color. This was actually one of the like main colors for my wedding, because I just think this color is so pretty and timeless. So that's gonna be very exciting to try. I'm like very tempted to put that one on like immediately. This next one's grapefruit. Let's see what grapefruit looks like. Ooh, okay, this is another like syrupy looking color. By the way, when I'm saying syrupy, basically is kind of like a style of Korean gel nail polish that is a little bit transparent, has a bit of that like jelly-like effect, so syrup nails. And this color is like genuinely the perfect grapefruit color. It has a good mix of kind of coral with a bit of that reddish tone, but not too overwhelmingly like red or orange. It kind of sits in the middle, so that looks very nice. 4K. Whoa, this one's a metallic. So this one looks almost like a multi-chrome type of color. I'm seeing bits of blue, but also purple. So I'm gonna have to definitely look up some inspiration to see some looks using these colors, because while they are so beautiful, I need like creative inspiration to figure out like how to use them and designs. This next one's July Lake. Ooh, that one's cool. This one's also kind of a multi-chrome type of color. It has a bit of like gold iridescence to it with some of that turquoisey color. It looks like it would correspond really well with that first color I showed, that kind of like bluish turquoise. Next we have DM20, which is color of water. See what their interpretation of color of water is. Oh, that one might be my favorite. That one's really pretty. It's also a multi-chrome type of color. It has a bit of pink and purple to it, but also some gold and some blue. There's like several different shades in there. So that's a very pretty, like super shimmery color. DG27. Then we have Crushed Pearl. And this color is kind of a chunkier glitter. It looks like it has some shimmer, but also some multi-iridescence to it. Has kind of that bluish hue to it, but also a bit of that like bright white sparkle. And then last but not least, we have DM21, which is Sun Shower. Oh, that's pretty. So this is also a shimmery color. It looks like it sits more on like the silver shimmer versus like a bright white shimmer. And this could be really good for like accenting or maybe some really pretty base colors. So that is this collection. I'm definitely gonna have to do like a look with these and try to make some type of effects. So those are all the shades in the Once in a Summer collection. So let me know if you guys have tried this brand or if you've tried this collection in particular, what your guys' thoughts are. And also leave it in the comment section down below some of your guys' favorite places to get inspiration, whether it's like Instagram accounts or certain nail artists or Pinterest. I would love to see where you guys get inspiration from. Like I mentioned, I solely buy all of my gel supplies from Sweetie Nail Supplies. So this is really nice and sweet of them to send me a package. I'm super excited, so definitely check them out. Like I said, they have everything outside of even Hema-Free if you guys want to check out some of their other just like trendy nail products. I'm just a big fan of investing in higher quality nail supplies because in the long run, I do feel like it saves you a lot of money doing your own nails. And I'm not someone who likes to sit in a nail salon for like an hour or two at a time. I usually like to put on a show and like zen out to doing my nails, so it's something I genuinely enjoy. Anyways, guys, I will link the products in the description box below, though, if you guys want to pick up these specifically. And again, a big thank you to Sweetie Nail Supply for sending me these. And as always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.